So did you know that according to the CDC that over 100,000 people visit the hospital ER room because of unintentional carbon monoxide poisoning? And in this review, I'm going to tell you why the X-Sense is such a great product to have in your house to protect you, your family from CO poisoning and fire, smoke. So stay tuned to the review, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Alright everyone, as you can see in front of me, I have already unboxed the X-Sense just so I can get a little test and trial, see how it works. So let's get right into what it came with. So what we have here is the actual X-Sense alarm itself. It is actually a standard size, a little bit bigger than your normal fire alarm in your house, but it's very lightweight. And yeah, and it comes with a 10-year built-in lithium battery already inside, so you don't have to worry about replacing your battery no time soon. It also came with a I want to say a warranty card here, so you can always replace it or call the proper people to fix it if you should encounter any error or any defect with your product. You also have the mountain brackets here. Unfortunately, I don't own this house, so I'm actually not allowed to um, drill through the walls here, but that isn't going to deter me. I'm still going to show you how this product actually works, and it's very simple. It also comes with the back mountain bracket. Now, if you're not allowed to mount any things in your house, I normally have these metal plastic metal things that I attach on one side to help keep my alarms on the wall. So anyway, yeah. So as you can see right here in front of us, we have the X-Sense, and wow, let me just tell you a little bit of things about this. This is a dual alarm detector. So basically, it's going to detect carbon monoxide, and it's used the measurement of parts per millions. Yeah, and it has a nice loud audible sound, so you're definitely going to be alarmed. I'm going to turn it on in just a few minutes. As you can see right here, it has the LCD real-time reading. So right now it's at a 0 because it isn't showing. I don't have any carbon monoxide in the house, obviously. So another thing is this automatically turns off when it's every 5 minutes because to save the battery life on this. That should also hit at the LED right here. The LED tells you green light is going to flash every like 30 seconds. You have to read the manual, the instruction manual. It gives you more detail. Then the red alarms and then the yellow alarm here. It also detects a 360 degree within your home or apartment. And if you have like a fireplace or open fireplace or a stove, this is definitely, you want to definitely have one of these in your house because sometimes the carbon monoxide lingers around. Another good thing that I like about this, it can be mounted on the ceiling. It can be mounted on a wall. Like I said, the indicators show you exactly when you're in danger and if you need to change the battery. Another thing that is very important to note is that you can hit the test button, and please be aware it's going to be kind of loud right now. See, right now it's going through the check right there. Pretty loud, right? All right, and as you can see right there, the LCD just lit up. It's going through its phase right here. Super loud. And like I said, there are different modes that this can go on. You just have to read the instructions. Yeah, so that's pretty much it right here. Also, you don't have to do any rewiring, so it actually comes out the package ready to go. You definitely want to check it once a week once you install it. And yeah, like I said, definitely read the instructions because there's a different modes you can put this in, and this is just really good for your family, for protection, so you can definitely feel safe knowing that you have this in your house. So let me go ahead and give you a test and just see how it works, because I have a fire stove oven here. I'm just going to put some smoke and do it safely so you can get an idea if the product is good for you or not. Yeah, so another thing that I wanted to show you was the back of the box. It has some really good information. And one of the good things about this the dual fire carbon monoxide detector is that, first of all, it uses a how do I say, electric a photoelectric sensor. And basically, when I did my research, it uses a light beam to detect like smog, and it also has a electric chemical CO sensor. So basically, what I got from it, has like some type of gel or something there that it detects the levels of carbon monoxide in your house. So with this type of technology, it's very advanced, and it's definitely something that I put my trust in. So yeah, let's get right into the test now. All right, everyone. So I have the X-Sense in my hand right now, and I got a little sample paper cardboard box right here. Now, another good thing is that the X-Sense is supposed to take at least 3 air samples every 10 seconds. And we're going to go ahead and put this to the test. Okay, so move this out the way for a second. Let me light this. Okay. Let's get a nice little fire going on here. Now I got to blow it out. All right, everyone, as you can see, the X-Sense works perfectly. I had to put my finger over the alarm because I have neighbors next door. I don't want the word, but it read the CO levels. And as you can see, it perfectly works good. And the audible alarm is super loud. So yeah, so this is actually a product that I highly recommend. First of all, right now it's telling me that it's going down now. It detects a 360 sample of the air. It has a loud audible alarm. It also has a lithium battery that lasts over 10 years. And it also is something that has a dual detector, smoke, carbon monoxide, so it can protect you and your family. And I just want to say thank you for watching this review.